What you doing, man?
Yeah, you will never see me acting reckless. Pockets never empty, got my checklist. Fucking on your friend might be your bestest. That's how I work, boy, I ain't never got no template.
What's up, YouTube fam, and welcome back to my channel. You guys already know Johnny Tsunami was on the live stream. If you guys missed the live stream, you're totally missing out because we had some good topics and good content, and we talked about anything, just talking cars. Shop Talk is the name that's going around. I'm not sure if that's going to be naming it, but anyways, today's vlog is going to be strictly around my car. Johnny Tsunami is going to help me wrap my hood in my car, and I'm going to try to do myself also. So I'm going to try to do myself with a little bit of his guidance. So everyone, thank Johnny Tsunami. Why not? Let's get this started, but right now we're about to hang a TV with, okay, so I've hung TVs a lot and I always use like that support beam. And apparently you can just hang it for drywall. So comment down below if you can't hang it for drywall, and comment down below if you cannot hang it for drywall. Comment down below how long this TV will last before it falls down on all my editing equipment, because I do not have faith in this. All right guys, pulling the Camaro back in for the second time. Install the Rito. Install.
Is that how you roll at 2018?
Alright guys, so we're showing you how to not pull it.
Or did I turn it off when I pulled in?
Oh, comment down below guys, did he stall? No, 100% he stalled. We're showing you guys how not to drive a stick car. Don't worry about it guys, we're here for you. Damaging my motor for the sake of your guys' knowledge. Anyways, so right now what we need to do is, come on everyone, act like you're feeling this with me. Feel it, rub, circular motion. Stop, deep breath. Other way, no kidding guys. Alright, so right now what we need to do, we need to prep it. You still see there's some adhesive in here, and you guys notice the yellow is kind of going away because it's been in the sun. So now we're going to prep this, which means get all the adhesive off of it, and then we're going to wrap the hood, satin black.
So this is like a nano skin. I don't know exactly what it's called or what this one particularly is called, but it's like a substitute clay bar. So it's basically what it does. It acts like a clay bar and it cleans like a clay bar, but it's biodegradable or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, yeah, this is just, I'm just cleaning the car.
I am taking off all the leftover adhesive with some 90. You see, I'm taking off the adhesive. This bad looking ugly as for Vegas, you know?
Perfect. Look, go YouTube. Look at the inside. Look how dope this looks. Imagine we just drive around like this. Cops would love that one, huh? Hey, is your car stock? Oh, 100%. Check the hood. Well, we definitely might have ran into a problem. We don't think we have enough satin black. So I'm gonna go ask Daniel, make sure he has enough to wrap the hood. And hopefully he does, because that would suck. Obviously not the end of the world. Vegas is not till another like week or two away. But my car needs to have the hood done because I need to go to TAD this week. So yeah, that kind of sucks. So let's find out. We got it? We're good?
We good.
We good? Shout out to Mitch and Daniel, always giving the good news. Oh, sorry, Girth. What's up, Girth? How's life been?
I thought we were cool. I thought we were...
We are, but I mean on my channel you're still known as Girth. Okay. It's my channel.
All right.
Yeah.
Pass that, buddy.
Just gotta make sure what channel it is.
No, it's my
What's up,
channel.
YouTube fam?
Daniel, how long have we been trying to wrap this hood for?
Seems like it's been hurdle after hurdle after hurdle, but that's the life of a wrap shop. But we're getting it done. We tried to do this on Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Yes, it's what, Thursday now, or is it Wednesday?
Wednesday.
All right.
Well, we actually started, we were gonna start last week, and then, oh my bad, you're right.
Tell nobody that.
Monday, actually, Monday. Sorry, Monday.
Monday we've been trying. Now it's been a couple days, just woo!
My bad. I'm so sorry, bro. I'm so sorry. That's so rude.
You just burped in my face.
I didn't mean to do that. I'm so sorry.
Joking. yeah, it's been a few days, but we're gonna make it happen right now. Let's do it.
Now that the hood is not wrapped anymore, like I feel like I want to do like another color other than black, but I think I'm just gonna just stick to the black just because that's what it was before, even though I do want to maybe expand to another color. I don't know, I think it's just because it is off right now. I do have options, but I think it's best if I just put it black, and then we hopefully, I don't know why I have I keep burping so much, and maybe we'll do the black roof, black hood, and then just get ready for Vegas, and then when I come back, hopefully around that time, I'll get my car completely wrapped. So that's pretty much it. I think now that I have options, I want to change color, but I am actually kind of tired of seeing it white. I do want to see this transition and the new look, the Hefe 2.0, so I'm pretty excited for that. We're almost done. Shout out to my boy Johnny and John over here helping me out. Appreciate it, guys. My apologies for that cringy. Oh, shit. My apologies for that cringy. For that kind of demonetized. My apologies for that cringy moment. That was just too funny. It doesn't roll.
Let's roll. Oh, let's roll.
Oh, you thought we were doing your hood tonight?
So I have this pillar here from Beam Boosted. If you guys remember, BP Auto Sound did help me make this custom pillar for my boost gauge and my MAF airflow sensor, I believe it was, or wideband, actually wideband and boost gauge. I don't need this anymore. So if anyone out there has a Camaro and wants a pillar, it's slightly cracked right there, but it still will do its job, and you can't really see it because the way it goes in, it's tucked in like that. So if anyone out there needs this pillar, driver's side pillar, boost gauge holder, jingamajigger bobber, I don't know, should we give it away? Should I sign it and give it away? Isn't that like too cocky for someone to sign something and to give it away?
A little bit.
Right, isn't that?
A little bit.
I don't know. If you guys need it, let me know. If you live local, come pick it up. Mitch, what happened? Mitch. What?
Someone ripped ass in here, and it's just, no one's fessing up to it. Someone has to own up to it.
Alright, you know what? I'll admit it wasn't me.
I'll admit it wasn't me either. I never do that. You guys already know that.
Someone did it.
I'll admit that it was not me.
I evacuate the whole damn thing.
I think it was him.
I think it might have been that guy.
Bro, more elbow grease. The harder. I don't like to rub hard.
Check that out.
I'm not sure if I told you guys, but my e-brake is kind of broken, so I think I'm gonna check this out right now, cause that e-brake doesn't work at all. Can you guys shut up while I vlog? So I think in order to take this off, you just go like this. Got it. What the f? All right, guys. So this is how you get to your e-brake, and then oh, and if you want to take a shift knob off, there you go right here. That's you gotta take off shift knob. Wait, how do I get to the inside though? We did the other side, and then we're going to check this side out. Super simple to open up. Yeah, we can't see anything on this side. So that was just a waste of my time.
Watch out, oh watch out, oh watch out, yeah. I smash out, I smash out, I smash out, yeah. I'm spending on my fucking pay.
Alright guys, so my hood is pretty much wrapped. It's done. That's how it is. Thank you guys so much for watching the vlog. I know guys, my humor is kind of... It's really off today. I don't know why. Like, I don't know. Alright guys, so everyone went home and I was still grabbing the hood myself, so you guys see that I was wrapped 100% the hood myself. I just want you guys to know that don't think it's too hard, you know what I mean? Some of the obstacles, and you could just overcome them. And you know, I wrapped the hood myself for the first time, not even a problem. You know, no one's here helping me at all.
we're just watching.
Just kidding guys, they've been doing most of the work. I just had to make it look like I was doing something. Shout out to my boys, Primo Auto Styling, always hooking me up. It looks amazing. So tomorrow, what I think I'm going to do, since my plans are completely ruined for tomorrow's vlog, I'm going to go over to Race Customs. I need to get my tow hook powder coated, and then hopefully I'll be getting my canards from Steve Christie Composite. He'll be coming and installing them. And a couple of things I need to do to just prep up everything, just get ready for the Vegas trip and the track day. So, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give a thumbs up if you haven't given a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you guys have a great night.